riding down from our shop in the Akins Ford F-150 Everest Edition. Y'all, we got several of these trucks on the lot, and so when I park this bad boy, I want to show you what we got. Pretty impressive. Just driving elevated, just something about it. I know a lot of you are like, yeah, I've had to lift the trucks in the past, I'm not into it anymore, but I'm telling you, ride quality is great, and just sitting up high has just a great feel to it. Check these out. So how's everyone day going? It is the 5th of January 2022. We got the 22s, baby. Yeah, let's go. And we have a lot of 2021s to review today. Just wanted to showcase, as I was mentioning earlier, that we have a plethora of Everest Edition trucks currently. We have not as many F-150s as we would like. Nowhere even close, y'all. We are several hundred F-150s down, but we got more on the way. Help is on the way, y'all. But in the meantime, we have Everest Edition trucks galore. We have this beautiful Rapid Red, don't know why it's still here, diamond, paint match galore, and then we have Bubba truck right here. And then, that's actually a covert because it's 3.5-inch ready lift SST lifted on 35s. But that truck is so clean, man. That's just a money setup on a factory wheel, 295, 6520. But the video today is about these Everest Edition trucks. This is a 6-inch lift on this one with 35s, Fuel Rebel wheel, bushwhacker fender flares, a little bit of front styling on your front bumper, no paint work. We got amp power steps, rear wheel well liners, got a nice exhaust on the rear too, sounds phenomenal. That's a Gibson exhaust, Fox shocks front and rear, roll and lock, A-series bed cover. Then we come over here to the Leadfoot 21, and this is a 4-inch kit on this one. Got, again, exhaust, bed liner. This is the Rocky Mountain truck lift and Rocky Mountain truck wheels, but it looks almost identical to the Rebel. Got the Rocky Mountain truck side step bars, bushwhacker fender flares, the nice styling, leather seats as well. What you know about the Leadfoot? It's a great color, been so popular, but it's going away. So if you want Leadfoot, you better jump on it because Leadfoot is going away in 2022. Looks great, and 4-inch is a great overall balance of not being too tall. And then next door to it, we have another almost identical as the one we just reviewed over there. So we have identical trucks rocking on here, but this one has the Rocky Mountain truck wheel, no power boards, has a Rocky Mountain step on the side, leather seating as well, Fox shocks, looking great. Up on the rock on Akins Mountain, we have another Leadfoot on a 4-inch, very similar wheel, and then another Oxford White F-150 with a 6-inch lift and 35s, and exhaust and steps. Y'all see a recurring theme here? We still have many options. We love custom, but we also have, let's count them. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I got 2 up there. So we got 9 Everest Edition trucks ready to roll right now. Running over to the Oxford White one is a Rocky Mountain truck wheel on a 4-inch, and this one is that anthracite gray finish. Let me know what you think about that in comparison to the all black that you saw that we have many of. But again, similar options, power board on this one, and tri-fold bed cover and rear wheel well liners. We do try to mix them up, include bed covers on some, no bed covers on others. 4-inch versus 6-inch, rear wheel well liners on all of them, and definitely love the Rapid Red. Rapid Red 6-inch, power board, roll and lock, 20s on 35s, BFG KO2s, exhaust, roll and lock. Gotta love it. We have, hope you saw the Roush F-150 up top too. That's essentially a covert because it's a 2-inch kit, but we only have a handful of covert trucks currently, and a lot of Everest Edition trucks. So kind of right now is Everest Edition action galore right here at YWIZ at Akins. So let me know what you think about a 6-inch lifted truck versus a 4 from your appearance that you've seen so far. And then you know we roll with the coverts, which is the level truck. That's probably our most popular, but the Everest Edition trucks, they're bad too, y'all. They're so incredible. I love the way they ride and look. Not too over boastful, not too big. So today I just wanted to show y'all that we have a great selection of Everest Editions, and we got Much more coming. A lot of customer builds coming to you too, so stay tuned for more and hit that subscribe button. I ask it all the time, but it matters to me and all you great viewers to see my videos more and more. And hit the like button as well, like ding, hit that like button. It means a lot to me. But Real Deal Neal just coming to you with another short and quick one today. Peace out.